how to buy GAME7 token. So this token came under the symbol of G7. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to watch on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to go and engage with the community. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 200,000 followers. So this token, it's in airdrop for now. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will be able to see this post from bit.io. As you can see, they said here, so new initial offering, claim your share, 75,000 G or of dollar of that airdrop. So hold $10 spot asset and claim free airdrops, and this token will be live for trading between February 10 to February 12. So as you can see, in 8 a.m. UTC. So if you don't have an account on Gate.io, go down in the description. You will be able to see a referral link. Go and create an account on Gate.io and fund it with some USDT. So after that time, you will be able to go and buy this token on Gate.io. So this is how to buy G7 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.